Hello everyone, welcome back to today's Code Streak Daily. In today's video, we are going to tackle an interesting problem here. Here we're given the problem about multiply two linked lists, and the difficulty level of the problem is easy. So, okay, it's been already asked in Amazon. Now let's try to solve the problem. So here I have the problem. Now let's see the description here. Given elements as nodes of the two single linked lists, we given a task to multiply these two linked lists. Okay, there are two linked lists, say L1 and L2. Okay, we might get the output very large, so we need to take it down to the modulo of 10 power 7 plus 9. So let's see an example here. So here we have two linked lists, L1 3 and 2, and L2 consists of only 2. So okay, we need to multiply 3 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, 6 4. So I guess uh, the data of the linked list need to be joined as a single number, and then we are going to multiply that number from with the second linked list number. See here we see the first linked list consists of 1 0 0 and second consists of 1 and 0. So here we're gonna join all this. 1 0 0 makes 100, and here it makes a 10. 100 times 10, here we are going to get the output as 1000. So okay, let's see the time complexity. It's order of max of n comma n, and also the space complexity is order of 1, wherein is the size of L1 and m is the size of L2. Okay, so now let's see how to solve this question. Okay, first we need to convert the numbers of each of these linked lists into numbers. Okay, the idea is very simple. As we traverse the list, we multiplied the current number by 10 and add the nodes data. That's it. This gives us a way we build numbers from digits, right? So as we know that if you want to make the sum of the digits of a number, we use the number multiplied by 10, right? In the same manner, here we are going to take the digits from the linked list and make it up to a number. So for that, I'm going to write a piece of code here. So I'm just writing a function inside a function, like a nested function. Okay, so I'm just making it as a list to number. So here I'm just passing a node. Okay, I mean a complete list. So here I'm taking mod equals 10 power 9 plus 7. Okay, 10 power 9 plus 7, and then I'm taking number equals to 0. So this number is going to make us a final number that we are going to extract the digits from the list. So while node, we are taking a while loop to traverse the complete list. We are taking n num equals number multiplied by 10, plus we are also going to add the data, and then we are going to make a modular division with mod, where mod equals 10 power 9 plus 7, and then we are going to next node. Node equals node dot next, and then here we are returning number. Okay, so we are going to do the same thing for both of the list. This function takes a linked list as an input and iterates through each node. At each step we will multiply the current number by 10 and add the node's value, and then take the result as modulo 10 power 9 plus 7. So the next step we are going to do is we have to multiply the numbers. Once we have converted both the linked list to numbers, the next step is to multiply them, right? Since the result could be very large, we are going to take modulo 10 power 9 plus 7 to keep the numbers manageable. So let's see how it's going to be done. So I'm just writing the code for the main function, that is multiply two lists. So here I'm taking two variables, num1 and num2, where num1 I'm calling the function list to number, where I'm passing the first list first. Okay, so in the same manner I'm taking num2, where I'm passing the second linked list to the function list to number. Okay, list to number, and I'm passing the second list here. So we have both the lists ready with the node data converted into a single number. So I'm taking a variable called result, where I'm making the multiplication of both the list num1 and num2, and also performing the modular division Okay, performing a modulo division, and the division consists of 10 power 9 plus 7. So finally we are going to return the result. Okay, so now let's see how does this work. So basically here we are calling the function list to number, and we are just passing the first list, and in the same manner here we are passing the second list, and these the result of this function is stored into num1 and num2 variable. So I'm taking another variable called result, where I'm performing the multiplication operation of num1 and num2, and also performing the modular division with the 10 power 9 plus 7. So as the result could be very large, I'm making it into 10 power 9 plus 7. Okay, now let's see whether this code runs perfect or not. Okay, okay, for the public test case it's working very fine. Now let's see what happens. Okay, there are 1115 test cases. Okay, yeah, all the test cases are passed, and I have reached the streak of 50 days, and that's an achievement for me. Okay, so as you can see here, um, here I have all the test cases passed, and in the first attempt itself. Okay, so and that's how we multiply the two single linked lists in Python while handling large numbers with the modulo operation. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe CodeStreak Daily for more coding tutorials. And also let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or if you'd like to see more linked list problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.